Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Yo. Oh, I can do that. What's up? What's up, guys? Oops, sorry. Oh, there's a lot of new stuff on StreamYard. Rambocito. What's up, Rambo? So I'm only going to be on here for a little bit because I will be off for pretty much the rest of the week until Friday because it's my birthday, bitches. Going to town. I'm only on here to give you analysis. But this Discord for me. People have been murdering charts. Okay. All right. So we can see that we've been bearish for how many days now? 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Yesterday. And if you notice, we broke this trend, right? So this could be a higher time frame reversal. And if it's a higher time frame reversal, that means that we're gonna probably have a really big. I'm expecting this to come all the way, at least somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. But first, I do expect longs into shorts. So since we broke past this trend line, pushing down for so long, it makes sense to reverse it. I think we're going to be in all the big news later on this week will drop. Oh, choppy. Wait a second. Is that better? What's up, Tony? What's up, Sam? That's right. I'm there. Okay, cool. Oh, what a joke. Okay. So audio. We have this trend line, right? This is the 4 hour, and we broke past it. Actually, come to the daily too instead. We also broke it past it. We closed past it. It's not that we just broke past it, we closed past it. So that's really, if we broke past it and we rejected it, we closed back above it, I would have said, let's go long. But grab this nice long short here. Actually, did I take this? I don't know if I did, but I took some longs yesterday. Got out like 70 pips max. So I started off my account with like, well, I put in 500, but fees and everything started off with 90. Now my account is sitting at 647. So yesterday I made 20 bucks. So that's about, how much percentage of that? That's a nice percentage, guys. It's a nice percentage. Like a little over, I don't know, 4%. Yeah, like 4% or something like that. I made yesterday on the account. So I was gonna log in, but I didn't have time. So I just decided to just do this. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. You guys can see that. I'm trying to make it focus, but I don't think it is. Anyway, so I'm expecting us to come down a little bit again, but I don't know if it will come down just yet. Let's see for our news. If we do break past here though, I'm watching this level here. I'm watching 3310. If we can close past here, then I will target here for TP and here for TP. Oh, excuse me. And it actually might happen while we're on the stream, so maybe I'll take it with you guys. Let's see. Because technically this is our lower high, so we could get in here and have this here, but this is just a 1-to-1, so nothing too crazy. I mean, you could have your stops here too, but makes sense, right? So we create a top wick for the daily, and now we're flipping. We flipped, and now we should fill the rest of this wick down. Sanj, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, if we can close past here, maybe I'll take some shorts, guys, into here, and here. Okay. But overall, we have reached a pretty strong level of support, right? Right here. And not yet. I'm not in yet. I don't even know if I'm going to be trading. We have Jolt's Jobs opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. and CB Consumer Confidence. FOMC statement. We have FOMC and NFP. So this isn't, I might stay out this week, guys. I mean, I'm probably going to anyway because it's my birthday. I'm not really going to be looking at the charts. But yeah, if we can close past here while I'm on, or like while I'm not busy, I'll take some shorts down to here. These two areas. So we could expect gold to, for here, and I'm expecting us to come up. So in between these two areas, it's a range here. Okay, we're in a range if we come back up in here. So I would expect gold to come back. So we have multiple areas that we can really base all of this off of. I don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, we don't need any of that anymore. All right, so this is a 4 hour, and then I'm gonna make another one here. And let's drop down to the 1 hour. All right, so if we break this low, this is the next target. It's the next target. If we break this low, this is literally the next target. And then if we break this low, this is the next target. So each low that we break, we're just going to continue going lower. What if it won't go lower than 33.10 now? Only way I'd really see longs is above here. It's above this area right here. If we can come above here, break, we could see higher. We could see a lot higher. But I'm not in longs yet because there's no confirmation for me to take a long. Everything is saying short, 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 short. I took longs yesterday because we came into this zone here. We completely broke past it, but then we closed at a support level. And I actually took a trade on the 1 minute yesterday. I got in around here. So we came down, took the zone, broke the low. And then usually what do we see happen after we break a low, right? We're going to come back up, retest before we go back down. All right, so this is I took the leg back up. And now we could see us coming right back down. Low. We're making lower lows, right? We're not making higher highs. We're making lower lows. So what's that telling us? Short. Don't long. Usually when I'm trading on weeks like this with heavy news, I tend to lose. So I'm probably just gonna sit it out. I'm gonna sit it out. Like last week was great. Last week was great. Last week was amazing. We didn't really have much last week. Like we did, but we didn't. Like there really wasn't that much going on last week. I love weeks like that. Not much news. Not much news. But for you, Sai, Yeah, honestly, I don't really see longs yet until we go above here, because now we are creating right here. Here, let me use this. Now we've pretty much created a resistance, right? It's fine. So TP and stop loss on the 30-minute time frame or 15-minute. It can be either or. It really just depends. Like, let's say that the 15 looks kind of choppy, but the 30 looks clean. But the 30 looks choppy, but the 15 looks clean, right? So I'm either going to take the trade based off of whichever time frame looks a little bit cleaner. And right now, the 30 looks a bit cleaner. So I'd probably take it off of the 30 and make my stops based off of the 30. But that's only if we close past here. If we can close past here, I'm going to be just looking for a little break and retest. Just a little break and retest. That's it. Simple as that. A little break and retest. This would be a scalp trade. This would be a scalp. See, create this resistance. We have our highest point right here. You can pretty much see and then hold on. Maybe we'll come up again or something before we drop, but this is what I'm seeing. All right, we have a high. We made a high, and then we made some lows. We kept going lower, making lower lows and lower highs. So that's telling us we need to short. It's not telling us to go long. You could also wait for like something like this. Let me come down to this 15. Yeah, even here. But the 30 is just way cleaner right now. Way cleaner. But yeah, that's pretty much what's happening right here. Boom. Got a low. We made a high. We made a low. We made a high. We failed to make a new high, but we made a low. So if we break this low, more than likely we're going to come down here, close past this level to go lower. I don't think it's coming back yet, Sai, so just be careful. Be careful. Don't ever try to catch a falling knife. Don't do that shit. Oh, excuse me. There's a Discord link, guys, if you want to join it up. It's free. I'll go down. I mean, honestly, even this 1 hours are like stupid clean, dude. Even the 1 hour is stupid clean. You can just see it, right? We formed resistance. We made a support. We formed a resistance. We came down. We formed another resistance. Right, literally right here, pretty much at this level. But we closed below this level here. Right here, we closed below here. Came down. Now, if we close past here, we should move lower. I mean, you can just see it, guys. Like it's clear as day. It's clear as fucking day. Like right here, guys. Like I can't write it out or make this shit up. Yeah, so now you can see the 15, it didn't close past. It looks like it really wants to, but it didn't. So now when the 15 closes, the 30 will close at the same time. And if the 30 closes past here, then that means the 15 will close past here. So then we could look for shorts. Somewhere here. But that's in 7 minutes. Let's see if we can get something in 7 minutes. And then let's just look left here. Let's see. Yeah, past here, nothing really stopping us until all the way down here at 32.85. Might see a little bit of resistance here. But yeah, past here, next level, and then next level. Damn. That's nice. 6 minutes. I need the closure. I got this right there. Damn, that's sexy. Sai, I hope you're not in those fucking longs anymore, dude. Stop trying to catch the reversal. I don't think we're going to reverse until maybe 32.50 zone. All right. When am I getting my closure? 5 minutes. I gotta wait. My stop loss is going to be based off of the candle that retests. I'm going to have a current candle high stop loss. Okay. So we just took out this 4-hour low here from yesterday. Which was, oh, well, no, it wasn't. Yeah, guys, this is pretty evident. Like if we were to have stops here, bring it all the way down here, but I don't want to do that. Now I could actually probably base the stops off of the 15. Fire, huh? I think maybe by tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, we might be long. Or we might be long Wednesday, Thursday, and then short Friday. That's what I'm thinking. I am expecting at least 1 or 2 days long for the week, and then just a huge drop. Huge drop. I'm definitely going to try to be on for that, but two minutes. All right, let me load my shit up. Let me load my own shit up. I don't know what the hell my damn password is. Excuse me. Oh, maybe that's why. All right, I don't know what my password is. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna set a couple limits right in here. 3310. I think I'm just gonna do 2. All right, I have a couple limits at 3310. Sell limits at 3310. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple now. 3309. I'm adding in now. That's really nice. That's really nice. All right, starting off with a top wick for the 30. That's nice. And we have a bottom wick for the 30, so that's good as well. So let's see how high we want to go. I would like to see us go, or we can at least go about here. Okay, just got activated. For the rest of my position, first right now I'm going to have stops right here, so it's going to be like a 10 pip stop. This is kind of a small stop, but maybe let's extend it up just a little bit. Let's extend it up here. 25 pips right now. Let's have it above like this 15-minute wick here. What is that? 23 pips, not 25, but 23 pips. All right, first TP is going to be 3306.7. Second TP 3302.3. And then maybe I'll just leave a runner. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I really kind of want to extend it up here, guys. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Currently in. Let's see. After we break this low here, I'm going to go break even for everything. For everything. Can either go break even or trail stops to the wick, the high of the candle. Let's move on down. TP again. TP here. TP1, 3306. Hold on, let me see. 0.65, 0.7, 3306.7. And then, I mean, you could have a second TP here at 3305.9, and then overall TP here at 3302. So where these yellow lines are, TP. Here. So if this 15 closes bullish, I might close. But we'll see what the 15 does. I want the 15 to flip and go bearish. It's looking pretty good, so let's just see what happens. Give it some time. Let's give it some time. It's only 8 minutes until the 30-minute candle. I got all my confirmations. Now, if this hits stops, then I'm not trading for the rest of the week until Friday. Because, like I said earlier, weeks like this, with a lot of news, you gotta be real cautious. Gotta be really cautious. This is the current high, current daily high here. All right, we're moving. Let's see what happens. Really want this 15 to flip in the next 5 minutes. So let's see if it can. Still in. Yeah. I'm going to close some at 33.08 actually for just a little 10 pips. Just a little bit at 33.08. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. TP1 just got smacked. and I'm going break even for this one, guys. I'm closing out most of my position, and I'm just gonna go break even because I'm not really liking how we're moving. Like I said, break even after the break. So we broke it, and now I'm break even. I closed some, and now let's see what we can do. Didn't really catch much there because I'm not liking this movement right now. So I only have one in now. This one's at break even. And might get hit there. Might get stopped out. All right, so I just got stopped out, break even. But okay, nice manage. That's a nice manage. I was expecting this to just kind of drop with a little bit of volume there, but maybe when the 1 hour closes, that's when it wants to do it. Because if the 1 hour closes past here, that's more confirmation as well. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stay out, guys. But yeah, this is the overall trade. So I'm gonna be getting off here very soon. But once this 15 closes, could probably find another entry off of the 1 hour to move lower, because it is Asia session, so shouldn't really be expecting too much volume, but maybe the fact that it is Asia session, we're waiting for a higher time frame closure to bring us more volume in on the higher time frame. But yeah, it looks like this trade is really going to play out. I wanted to be really cautious. It's looking really nice, guys. You could still get in here and then put stops above this 30-minute candle, because now we broke the low. So we don't really have any serious reason to come back up and break its own high. That's what we don't want. Thank you, Sanj. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, it's early for you, man. It's too early for you. It's 8:45 p.m. here. All right, bro. Yeah. Take care. Sleep well. Sleep well. I'd rather wait now to close past here. Let's go, Tony. Tony the Tiger. You got my frosted flakes today, bro? Oh, my knee. Caught like 7 pips. Still something. Now I'm at 650. See, that's exactly why I went break even after that break. Oh, it's cold over here. You cold, babe? What? What? Where are your socks at? All right, so we're having some rejection here, which makes sense because this is a pretty much this level of support. So I don't like this 15-minute. This is a really terrible closure. So that's a win for managing our risk. Hopefully, if anybody was in that trade with me, you definitely followed what I did because this is my trade. Okay, that's my trade. My strategy. Well, it's not my strategy, but I'm using the strategy. So the fact that I know how to use the strategy means that I know when I should be going break even. I know where this stop loss needs to be. I know. So if you're following somebody else's signals, you need to be doing literally almost every single little thing that they're doing because you're following their strategy. So if you got stopped out here, that's on you. That's all on you. I went on break even. I told you, I've been telling you guys, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. That's just how the cookie crumbles. So now, if we can't have a nice closure above here, then we'll go for longs. But I'm still looking at shorts. We may just consolidate a little bit here. We might have the move during London. Because now we made a new low. We broke this low, made a new low. We have a high. So it makes sense. We're making lower lows and higher lows. Shit like that. So that was the trade. Okay. Break even. And literally just got like 7 pips. 7 pips out of it. So managing your risk is so very important. So very important. Why? Because you can always enter again. And this is a scalp. I think my biggest trade last week was 180 pips, dude. I caught 180. What was it? I think it was 186 pips. Oh no. Oh my god, I caught almost pretty much 190 pips with a 0.01. I made $18.93 with a 0.01, guys. A fucking 0.01. Yeah, that was my biggest trade last week. Last week was great. So let's not fuck it up this week. Let's keep it moving. Oh shit, I totally forgot about this game. Yeah, guys, you can just pretty much price action wise, you can see where resistance wants to be. You can see where support is. And now we are forming a pretty nice area of support here. Then in between here, it's like a range, pretty much a range. So longs into here, longs into here, maybe shorts back down. We might see a lot of chippy choppy all in here. So until we decide where we want to break out. So we're literally forming a range to trade within. This is a scalper's heaven. This is a scalper's heaven, but I don't scalp like this. I do not scalp like this. But I know people that will take trades. They come into the level of support. They wait to see it reject. They'll take longs to go back up into here, maybe even to go higher. Or they'll come into here. If it starts rejecting here, they'll take shorts back down. Starts rejecting here, take longs back up. Maybe then we'll go higher, and then maybe shorts back down. That's just how it is. But I don't trade like that. It's a little risky. I don't like trading like that. It's a little stressful, too stressful for me. Some people can do it, but I'm not one of those people. Nor do I want to. I don't want to do that. Because there's not really like a set reward or risk, honestly. For me, at least. I mean, you could have taken longs from here, I guess. Had stops down here. Went up here to this area. I mean, like... But if we fail to break, because like we have this high coming lower, we broke this low, we came lower, so maybe we're just coming back up to create a new high so that we can break through. But now that this 1 hour looks like this isn't so sexy. That's not sexy at all. It's looking kind of ugly, really choppy right now. Asia session, what do you expect? Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's really, really bad. I just realized I posted the damn StreamYard link. It's funny. Alrighty, fam. Let's play. Because we're not doing anything. We're just in a range right now. So until gold decides where it wants to break out to, we're not doing anything. So let's play. Wordle. Oh, shit. Wordle. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What word might this be? Well, there's no E in there. Safes. Okay. There's an S and there's an A. Let's see. There's no one of those. Saggy? What about saggy? Like saggy tits or something. Oh, okay. Okay. Some saggy tits, huh? They like the saggy tits, don't they? S-A... S-A... Sally? Is it Sally? Okay, it's not Sally. Sappy. I don't know what the hell it was. Savvy. Oh. Oh. Ah. Maybe we long today, tomorrow, Thursday. I mean, tomorrow. Well, it's already tomorrow for some people. For Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then drop for Friday. But nah, I don't think so. I still do believe we're kind of come back up into this area. We have a bit of a gap right here. So I do see us coming somewhere in here, at least. Let me see something. Oh, that's in here. Right in here. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. All right. All right, guys. I'm done. So oh shit, I'm still on here. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Stay safe out there. We have a crazy week ahead of us with news. What the fuck is this, dude? See, this is why I'm not getting in this shit. I'm not getting in this shit. You guys still trading? Have fun. Good luck with that. Let's look at this shit. No thanks. No thanks. It's looking like we're trying to price news in here. I'm trying to price some news in. All right. I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of your night.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.